amazing for your skin. The staff is looking at me and my social anxiety is getting triggered, and I feel I look like a clown, but let's do this, you know. Hi guys, this is Slesha Patel and I'm going to travel to Australia with my sister, and today I'm going to show you what's in my bag. The handbag that we carry. So first of all, passports, right? Obviously much needed. And currency for Kuala Lumpur because we have layover there. So I'm going to show you the currency. It's very colorful like Indian currency. So we have 1 rupee note which looks blue. We have 5 rupee note which is green, and we have a 20 rupees note which is orange in color, and we have a 100 rupee note which is purplish lavender in color. Okay, so that is that. Visas and all of that, just because when it's needed it comes in handy. You also have a soft copy in your bag, but this also comes in handy, so I recommend you get a copied version of this. Also have tender care. This is Oriflame product. It is very hydrating to the lips and it's very beautiful. It smells amazing and it does wonders for your lips. It's amazing, you must try. I'm a Gujarati, if you have not recognized by now from my accent. Mukhwas, very very important, mukhwas, because we cannot travel without it, I swear. So I have pouches for very important things which you need in day-to-day life and stuff like that, and stuff you need while traveling and also when you reach there. So first of all, we have lip butter. This is a Blue Heaven lip balm, lip butter, and it's very beautiful. The one which I'm wearing right now is this one, and it's amazing in color and it's super hydrating for your lips and it does not give you chapped lips. Okay, so this is Nykaa Deja Nude lipstick, and this is very good for brown skin tone and pigmented lips. I use this and it's very amazing. So the other one is, I have this DM Beauty lip gloss. DM Beauty lip gloss, and it's very beautiful and it is also brown in shade, and it is also very plumping and very hydrating. I'll show you. Alright, so I also have earrings, a cream because airplanes can make your skin dry. I also have a Zudio lip oil. I also have kajal with me. Alright, I also have a jhumka here for some reason, jhumkas. So that is that. Another pair of earrings. So this is this in this pouch. We've got another pouch in which we're carrying another essentials, which is sunscreen. I swear by sunscreen. I've been using Ecologica sunscreen for a very long time now, and it is amazing for your skin. The staff is looking at me and my social anxiety is getting triggered, and I feel I look like a clown, but let's do this, you know. Mints, because you sleep in airlines and you know your mouth cannot smell like shit, so please carry mints. Okay, some cash just in case. I have another pair of cash, but pair of cash? Stack of cash, I don't know. Some jewelry again, another pair of kajal. How many kajals do I have? Okay. So brush, toothpaste, because you have layovers for a very long hours, like 8 hours, 9 hours. We also have layover in Kuala Lumpur. uh, some pair of socks, just in case your feet gets cold, and another wallet. What just came out of it? So another stack of cash, just in case you need more, and water bottle, another lip butter, pair of comb, because you don't want to look like, you know, mental admi. Soframycin. I cut myself very, very often, and I'm not at all careful. Rubber band. Okay, and polythene, just in case you need to put something in it. Hand sanitizer. Obviously, if you need to eat something, you cannot eat with your dirty hands, and if you are too lazy to go to the toilet and wash your hands like me, so this is hand sanitizer. Pair of tissues. Okay, some pads, because you never know, Mother Nature wants to fuck you up. So that is that. And what else? Peeper. We call it peeper. Some bandages, just in case you cut yourself like I do. So that is that, and we're done.